Assalamualaikum cuties. I'll show you how to make cute flower and bow.
Wow!
First of all, we have to take a clay. I took violet color clay and I cut it and I make a bow. You can see the process and you can learn from it. And then I cut the extra piece of the clay so that it can turn a shape of the bow like this. And I'll join this and then I'll make some flowers. So I cut some pieces of clay in each side, same size. Okay, and then I cut the middle part so that it can turn a beautiful flower pattern. And then I make many of them clay and I add some leaves there and I glue them, and thus our canvas is complete. Thank you.
Subscribe my channel and share my video. Thank you.